Embedding a YouTube playlist on your WordPress website is a great way to engage your site visitors. That's why in this video, I'll show you the easiest way to embed a YouTube playlist feed like this on your WordPress website. To do that, we'll be using the Smashballoon YouTube Feed Pro plugin. I'll be demonstrating using the Pro version of the plugin, but you can check out the free version with less features through the WordPress repository. First, head over to smashballoon.com and purchase YouTube Feed Pro. Once purchased, you can find your download link and license key for the plugin inside your Smashballoon account. Download YouTube Feed Pro and head over to your WordPress dashboard. Now on our WordPress dashboard, on the left-hand side, hover over Plugins and click on Add New Plugin. Next, click Upload Plugin and upload the zip file for YouTube Feed Pro, like this, and click Install Now. Once installed, click Activate Plugin. There we go, YouTube Feed Pro has now been installed and activated. To get started with creating our feed, on the left-hand side, you'll now notice YouTube Feed. Hover over it and click on Settings. And here, beside License Key, you can paste the license key from your Smashballoon account, just like this, then click Activate. Now you can see our license key has been activated, and we can begin creating our YouTube playlist feed. On the left-hand side, under YouTube Feed, click on All Feeds. And over here, click on Add New to get started. With the YouTube Feed Pro plugin, you can create a feed of videos from any YouTube channel, a feed of videos from any YouTube playlist, a feed of videos that match any specific search criteria, and more. Since we want to display our YouTube playlist feed, we can select the playlist feed type and click Next. After that, you'll get this pop-up here asking you to enter a YouTube API key. I've already got mine ready, but if you want to learn how to create one for yourself, you can click on the video tutorial in the top right corner of your screen or follow a written guide in the description of this video. Once you have your API key, paste it here like this and click Add. And for the next step, we'll have to enter the playlist ID for the YouTube playlist we want to display inside our feed. And this is the playlist I want to display inside my feed. Once you've opened it up, at the top here inside the URL, all you have to do is copy everything after PL, like this. Then head back into YouTube Feed Pro and paste the playlist ID like this. Once that's done, click Next. And now, here's the final step for creating our YouTube feed, selecting a template for the layout of our feed. You can choose from options like the default, carousel, cards, list, and more. For this video, let's go with the gallery template. Once selected, click Next. And just like that, we have a live preview for our brand new YouTube playlist feed inside the plugin. Our YouTube feed is showcasing the latest videos from our playlist. We can now go and embed this inside our WordPress webpage, but before I show you how to do that, let me show you how we can customize the feed. On the left-hand side, under the Customize tab, go into Feed Layout. Inside this menu, you can find options to customize the layout of your YouTube feed. At the top, you can see that we have the gallery layout selected. This layout features a video player at the top of your feed, which is currently displaying the first video from our YouTube playlist. Underneath that, you can see the rest of the videos in the playlist in a grid layout. Apart from that, we also have the grid layout, which displays your videos in rows and columns. And third is the list layout. This one displays your YouTube videos in a single column list. And lastly, we have the carousel layout, which displays your YouTube videos in a swipeable carousel just like this. For this demonstration, let's continue with the gallery layout. You can choose how many columns you want inside your feed on desktop and mobile. As you can see from our live preview, we currently have 3 columns inside our feed. If you want to customize it, just modify it to the number of columns you want to display. For example, let's go with 2 columns. Straight away, you can see that our feed has updated to only display 2 columns instead of 3. I'm going to change that back to 3. You can also specify how many videos you want to display inside the feed initially. At the moment, we're displaying 6 videos, but once again, to modify that, just enter the number of videos you want to display. For example, let's make it 9. And right away, our feed is now updated once again to display 9 videos instead of 6. And if you're happy with the changes, click Save on the top right corner. Inside your YouTube feed, you'll notice that each video contains the title, the author, and when that video was published. All the elements you can see under each video can be customized. Let me show you how to do that. First, under the Customize tab, go into Videos. Next, click on Edit Individual Elements. Inside this menu, you can find all the different elements that you can see under each video, such as the play icon, the video title, video duration, username, and more. Each of these elements can be hidden or displayed based on your preferences. For example, if I wanted to hide the play icon, which you can see inside each thumbnail, I can deselect it like this, and the play icon will now be hidden inside each thumbnail. I'm going to bring it back, and you can do the same thing with all the other elements. For example, if I wanted to hide the video title, just deselect it like this. Next, I'm going to hide the username and the date. If you want to add the video duration, you can check it like this, and that will display the video duration inside each thumbnail. And if you're happy with the changes, click Save on the top right corner. Next, if you want the option to display your YouTube video comments inside your feed, go into the Customize tab and click on Videos. Next, click on Video Player Experience. And in this menu, you'll find a toggle here for comments. Toggle it on, and you can specify how many comments you want to display inside the feed. We'll keep it at 20, and if you've enabled this feature, click Save on the top right corner. And now that you know how to create and customize your YouTube feed, let me show you how we can embed it inside your WordPress webpage. To embed it, click on Embed on the top right corner, copy your dedicated shortcode, then click on Add to a page. Select the page you want to embed your feed to, then click Add. And here we are on our WordPress webpage, and to embed our YouTube playlist feed, we have 2 options. First option is to use a shortcode block, and paste the shortcode that we copied earlier like this. Alternatively, if you're using Block Editor, you can use a dedicated Feeds for YouTube block, like this. With this option, you can see a live preview of our new YouTube feed inside our WordPress webpage. We can now click on Save and check out what it looks like on the live website. And here we are now on our live WordPress webpage, and right in the middle is our brand new YouTube playlist feed that we just created. This feed is showcasing the YouTube videos from the playlist which we added as a source. At the top of the feed, we have a video player, which is currently displaying the first video from your YouTube playlist. Underneath that, you can find all the remaining videos inside that playlist. We're currently displaying 9 videos as we specified. Each video has a thumbnail, the title, and the duration, just like how we customize inside the plugin. If you scroll down to the bottom, you can also click on Load More to load additional videos directly on your WordPress website. At the top of the feed, if a site visitor clicks on a video, they can watch it here like this. That video will automatically start playing directly on your WordPress webpage. Underneath that, you also have a subscribe bar. If site visitors click on it, they'll be taken directly to your YouTube channel with a prompt here asking them if they'd like to subscribe to your channel. This makes it really convenient for your site visitors to go and subscribe to you on your YouTube channel directly from your WordPress website. And last but not least, since we enabled comments on our feed, we have this button here that says Show Comments. If I click on it, that will display the comments for that video. This can be really powerful to show your site visitors just how engaged your audience is on YouTube. And that's not all, you can also view comment replies directly from your YouTube feed like this. And there you have it. That's how we can create, customize, and embed a YouTube playlist feed like this on your WordPress website. If you have any questions about what I covered in this video, please let me know in the comments below. If you experience any technical issues, please contact our awesome support team. They'd be happy to help you out. And please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel for social media marketing tips to help you grow your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.